Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Firdousia Vlogs. So today is the first day of Ramadan and we have started our new series AHLAN Ramadan. So through this series, we'll be showing you all our iftar recipes, quarantining with Ramadan and much more. You're watching the first day of our series only on Firdousia Vlogs. So these were the items we had for our iftar. Apple juice, chicken samosa, apple, dates and beef cutlet. We also had the traditional Malabar Iftar Drink, Tharikanji. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all the recipe of this drink. Let's start by melting 2 spoons of ghee in a pan. To this, we'll be adding 2 to 3 finely chopped shallots. After giving a mix, add a few cashew nuts and raisins. Now it's time to add milk. Here I've added around 2 glasses of milk. So this is totally dependent on how many glasses of drink you want. Now add in a pinch of salt. This is just to balance the sweetness of the drink. Before the milk begins to boil, we'll be adding semolina, also called as rava, in this. So here I've added 4 tablespoons of semolina. Now mix this for around 5 minutes. As you can see, the milk has started to boil. This is the time to add 4 to 5 crushed cardamom pods. Now, to sweeten this drink, we'll be adding sugar in this. Here, I have added 3 spoons of sugar. You may add more or less depending on the amount of sweetness that you prefer. This is the consistency that you need for this drink. So that's all, we are done with the recipe of Tharikanji. Do try this easy to make, refreshing drink and don't forget to share your comments through the comment box. See you tomorrow with yet another video. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.